Siemens PLC Smart Tips video. In this video we show what is tag filter in WinCC and how to use it. Okay, so we have two windows, one for the motor number 8 and second for the motor number 7. First we define the tags for this motor number 8 window manually, and then on the motor number 7 we show how to define the tags by using the tag filter in the WinCC. Okay, we have the tags for the motor controlling and signalization in the tag motor table. So okay, first we define the events for the buttons, and then we define the tags for the appearance of the on and off signal windows. So we go to the events for the start button of the motor number 8, and here we define when we press the button, then we set the bit for the motor number 8 to turn on. We set it to true, and the same we use for the stop button. Back motor number 8, turn off, and then we use the appearance for the on signalization of the motor number 8. Here we find the motor turn it on. When it's turned on, this means it's true. Then the background color is green, and okay, we can copy this tag, and when it's off, then the off signalization will be red. Okay, this is how you can define it without the tag filter in WinCC. And now for the motor 7 we use the tag filter. So we go to the events of the start button, press event, set bit while K pressed, and here when you define the tag, when you have a situation where you have in the tag table many variables and you don't wanna still find it, you just here click on the activate filter, and here we click motor number 7, and how you can see, we activate the filter, and here you have only all variables with the name motor 7. So we click on the motor 7 turn on, and now we edit this tag. Same we can do it for the stop button, set bit while pressed, insert the tag, activate the filter for the motor 7, and we choose motor 7 turn off. And same for the appearance. Okay, we search for the motor 7 tags, click on the our tag which we want to use, and then just define the background color for this tag, and the same for the off signalization. How you can see, it's more faster for the first time when you're searching for the tag to just write the tag name, or in this example motor 7, and activate the filter and see only these variables which use the name motor 7. So this is all for this video, where you see how to use and what it is tag filter in the WinCC. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.